Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Acme United's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Acme United has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net sales growth to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Acme United reported net sales of $45.9 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, a 10% increase from the previous year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
It's a strong indicator of growth, especially considering the challenging economic environment. The 10% increase in net sales for the quarter and a 2% increase for the full year highlight Acme's ability to expand its market share and drive sales even after divesting some product lines.
And what about profitability?
Net income for the fourth quarter rose by 9% to $1.7 million, and for the full year it increased by 23% to $10 million. This growth is impressive and reflects the company's successful cost management and operational efficiencies.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Acme United made a significant acquisition in 2024. Can you tell us more about that, John?
Absolutely. Acme acquired Elite First Aid in May 2024, which has been fully integrated into their operations. This acquisition not only expands their product offerings, but also enhances their capabilities in the first responder kits and supplies market.
How does this position them for future growth?
With strong liquidity, Acme is well positioned for further acquisitions and growth in 2025. Their strategic focus on expanding distribution and sales of Elite First Aid products is a key driver for future revenue streams.
Regional performance and market share. Let's discuss regional performance. How did Acme United fare across different markets?
In the U.S., net sales increased by 12% in the fourth quarter, driven by market share gains across various product lines. However, European sales saw a slight decline of 1%, and Canadian sales decreased by 3%.
What factors contributed to these regional differences?
The U.S. market benefited from strong demand and effective sales strategies, while the European and Canadian markets faced challenges due to economic conditions and currency fluctuations. Despite this, Acme managed to gain market share, particularly in the office channel in Europe.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, how has Acme United managed its operational efficiencies?
Acme's gross margin for the fourth quarter was 38.7%, slightly down from last year, but for the full year it improved to 39.3%. This improvement is largely due to productivity enhancements in their manufacturing and distribution facilities.
And looking ahead, what can investors expect?
With strong liquidity and a focus on cost management, Acme is well positioned for continued growth. Their strategic initiatives and potential for further acquisitions make them an attractive prospect for investors in 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Acme United has delivered a strong performance in 2024 with significant growth in net sales and net income. Their strategic acquisitions and operational efficiencies have set a solid foundation for future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. Acme United's focus on innovation and strategic growth makes it a company to watch in 2025.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Acme United's performance in the comments below.